Now, I'm guessing for a lot of you, this is probably not your first time someone is suggesting a treatment for arthritis. The first thing I want to mention is that if you failed at treating your arthritis in the past, it's not your fault. There's so much information out there and it's so confusing. Many times, that information overload tends to keep you from finding the truth about treating arthritis. Just know it's okay. If you have been concerned that you can't find a way to treat your arthritis, I want to put those fears at rest. You can do this. You just need the right person to explain to you how it works. The pharmaceutical companies or your doctors want you to think you need methotrexate, hydroxychloroquine, or some other non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug to treat your arthritis, to get rid of the pain and the symptoms. I am here to tell you they are all wrong. They have their own reasons and agendas for wanting you to think that. Look, if you ever wondered if the pharmaceutical companies and doctors actually want you to fail, you are probably right. They don't benefit from you succeeding. They want to keep you on the medication forever so that they can make more money. The difference with us is that we actually care about you. We actually care about your success and truly want to see you living the life of your dreams. So, that's what we're here for. I know you have a dream to live a full life and enjoy the time you spend with your family and friends without pain. I want to show you how to make that happen during this online video. My goal for this video is to help you eliminate arthritis naturally. At the end of this presentation, you will definitely know how to eliminate your arthritis naturally. I have spent the last 10 years working as a medical researcher at Imperial College London. However, my interest in arthritis peaked when I went back to Germany one Christmas and my uncle was suffering from arthritis. It was so bad that he couldn't play with his two boys, Mark and Junior. I asked my uncle when the pain started. He said, "Richie, it started about 6 months ago, right after when I started my construction business." I remember the time exactly as it was Junior's birthday, and I had promised to take him to a camping trip. I had to cancel as I was so much in pain. Right there and then, I told my uncle that I would look into it. That is, do a medical research review concerning arthritis. And what I came up with was astounding. Arthritis is a disease fundamentally caused and driven by inflammation. Yet the current drugs on the market only treat the symptoms of inflammation, but not the underlying cause. So, I quickly told my uncle to make some specific dietary changes, which resulted in him completely eliminating arthritis using only natural means. He recently told me he was able to take his kids, Mark and Junior, on the long awaited hiking trip. And to be fair, arthritis is not the only disease that is fundamentally driven by inflammation. There are other diseases too. Most cancers, cardiovascular diseases, eye disorders, diabetes, colitis, Crohn's disease, infections, injuries, psoriasis. These are all diseases that are fundamentally which have a root cause of, of inflammation. So, when you look at the fundamental basis of arthritis, it becomes very clear. And most people who have arthritis are very much aware that the underlying cause of their disease is inflammation. Inflammation of the joints, inflammations of the muscle. And based on my medical research I undertook and the treatment I directed my uncle to undertake, was all based on the result of my medical research. And it became absolutely clear that natural food products such as cherries, beetroots, and turmeric have a high ability of dampening and even eliminating inflammation. If most of you are aware of the fact that inflammation is a huge problem in the arthritis, and even drugs that are given by medical practitioners today are are called non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Even in that name, it tells you that inflammation is the root cause. However, literature has shown that most of these foods, cherries, beetroot, and turmeric, are even better than these non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. They are more potent at reducing inflammation than these non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, like ibuprofen, for example. So, after looking at this, I always wonder why people are not considering using cherries, beetroots, and turmeric more often. From the pharmaceutical and the medical doctor's perspective, they don't want to mention that cherries and beetroots and turmeric are good for you or good at reducing your inflammation because they will not be able to sell you their patented, overpriced products once you know the truth. But here I am telling you the truth. Cherries, beetroot, and turmeric are are some of the most potent foods to reduce inflammation. So, here in the UK, we have a facility that helps us um, extract cherries and beetroots and turmeric in such a way that would allow these foods to retain all their antioxidant properties, all the properties that allow the foods to reduce inflammation. So we have come up with these two products. First one is known as VitaSpark, which is a beetroot plus cherry supplement or extract, which have been placed in capsules. Now another product is the turmeric or curcumin, which is also made of 90 capsules of high dose curcumin. Now, taking these two supplements is what helped my uncle eliminate his arthritis. Now, today, for the first time, we are giving those two supplements, of making those two supplements available for the general public. Now, my uncle here hiking with his two boys, Mark and Junior. This is a picture he sent me a while back after his arthritis got better. So, three key points that we learned from this online video. The only way to eliminate arthritis is by eliminating inflammation. And to be fair, most people who have arthritis are very much aware that inflammation is the root cause of their arthritis. Inflammation of the joints and even inflammation of the muscle. Number two, the only way to eliminate inflammation is by making specific dietary changes and using anti inflammatory drugs. Now, again, this is also well known knowledge. Your medical doctor, your general practitioner who takes care of your arthritis and tries to give you the best treatment that he knows how to, has made it clear that you need to make certain dietary changes, and he has also been giving you anti inflammatory drugs to treat your arthritis. Now, based on scientific literature research, it has become absolutely clear that you can be hitting two stones at one by just eating natural foods, cherries, beetroots, and turmeric to solve this problem of inflammation. Now, to make it very easy for you to eliminate your inflammation, we have developed these Vita Sparks formulas and turmeric formulas, and we are receiving tremendous amounts of reviews, positive feedback on how effective these cherries and beetroots and turmerics are for arthritis patients. So, what are you going to get here today? We have here a 1 month supply of Vita Spark, which is made up of 60 capsules, which you take one in the morning and one in the evening. This is made up of high quality cherry extracts and high quality beetroot extracts. And this alone gives you a huge amount of relief when you are going through an arthritic episode. Now, we also have a 1 month supply of turmeric, which is made up of 90 capsules of high quality turmeric extract, of which 95% is made of curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, which actually inhibit blocks inflammation in arthritis patients. This is 30 pounds in value. Now, we will send these two formulas through post to you, and it will be sent for free, and it will be sent first class delivery. Now, we also are including an amazing deal on top of all of this. We are giving free email consultation, free one-to-one email consultation. If you have any question concerning the formulas, if you have any questions concerning your arthritis, we will do our very best to give you all the advice. If you are worried about which types of foods you're supposed to eat, which type of foods you're not supposed to eat, we will give you the best advice ever we can through our email consultation. One-on-one email consultation. Now, this whole deal totals to a value of £200. However, for this month, for the first 50 buyers only, we are giving a limited time offer of $49.99. It's unheard of in our company for this two supplements with the free shipping and free email consultation to be at $49.99. All of this will be given to you for $49.99. And you, on top of that, you also get 100% money back guarantee, which means if you use the Vita Spark and you use the turmeric for 30 days and you see no effect at the end of using the whole bottle, you will be able to send us back the two empty Vita Spark and turmeric bottles and get full refund for whatever you paid for. I mean, there is no risk to you whatsoever as to whether the product, if whether you're worried the product will work or not work. We have taken all the risk on ourselves. Try the product, and if you see no effect, return the empty bottles back to us and get your 100% money back guarantee. As of now, we have never received any product back, and we have sold thousands and thousands of our products around the world. Imagine I told you spend £50 and have a whole month without any pain of arthritis. Would you say this is too expensive? Actually, it's very cheap. I would pay £50 in a heartbeat to get one whole month relief of arthritic pains. So, here are some of the testimonials we have had so far from customers who are enjoying our products every day. From Valerie P, she says, excellent product. This is only my second lot of these capsules, but I'm finding them very good for my arthritis. If the price stays the same for some time, I shall continue with them. 5 stars. We got another 5-star rating from Sylvia R. Just wanted to say what a great product. I like others had arthritis in my knee, making it difficult to walk, so walking the dog had to be eliminated. After taking the Vita Spark and turmeric, and just after a few days noticed the difference. I'm able to walk my dog on her usual 4 miles now. I would recommend anyone giving it a try. I did, and it's helped. Just ordered more. So I'd like to thank Valerie P and Sylvia R for their wonderful testimonies. So I have attached 2 other video testimonials below in this video, which you can watch and enjoy and tell yourself to take the leap, take the step that in 2019 you are making a change in your life for the better. You are taking your health to a whole new level. Start today by making an order of this amazing deal. I would like to say thank you so much for listening today and watching this online video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Bye for now.